and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on the Evenstar pendant. We've got two of the gem backs soldered together for the centerpiece, and I'm going to try to finish the entire centerpiece tonight. I'm going to take this binding wire and make up another one of those net cage things that I made in the last episode. I won't be videoing it, but just know that I'm making this. Let's get started. an eternity later. That was interesting and frustrating, and yeah, but we did it. I had to legit just go through everything that I know to make sure that all of the prongs are there, everything is there. Even once it was done, when I started cleaning it and one of the prongs snapped off, I was like, no! But I believe we have it, and it is in one piece. I think what I should have done was have it all shaped out, the back's all shaped out, and soldered the backs together first before the prongs. I think that's where I went wrong. But, like I said, it is done. Let's take a look at it. Alright, well, I think I'm going to leave it in the acid a little bit longer, but here we are. Definitely need to clean it, obviously. I skipped out on a bunch of cleanings as far as recording goes, but I did a lot of cleaning of this piece. So now I think this is actually it for this episode. Okay. Now I'm checking all my prongs, pliers. It's got me all types of paranoid. Alright. Yeah, so we are done for today. I definitely need to get this cleaned. Like I said, I'm actually gonna put it in the pickle again now, just to let that sit a little bit. Definitely challenging. This is probably just about the hardest project that I have done so far. I've done some complicated projects, but I feel like they weren't this complicated. But of course, I've never done 6 settings for stones or gems. I've never done 6. So that right there is already difficult. But we've got it done. Next week we'll get it cleaned and start setting up the frame for the frame that goes around and comes down the centerpiece, along with the leaf wings on the back. I might start with the wings first, because those need a lot of shaping, and I've never really done that. I did a little bit with the leaf for the leaf ring, the copper and silver leaf ring, but I'm gonna take some of my sheet. I need to figure out what the dimensions are for those leaves, cut out enough and shaped correctly so that I can still weave, like make it wave, because all the pictures that I see, it's a little bit wavy, and of course it twists a little bit in the back. So we're gonna need to figure that out. Well, I'm gonna need to figure that out, and then I'll tell you guys about it. So that does end it for tonight. I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. Like I said, it was very challenging. A lot of going back and forth, cleaning it, soldering it, just a lot. It is a very difficult project, I'm noticing, but we are getting it done, which is great. I hope that you all enjoyed, and I hope that you all come back next week, or see me on one of my lives, or the Knitting with Metals if you just stay on YouTube. I'm honestly very happy about how far we've gotten today, and I'm very excited to start putting this entire piece together, and then finally cleaning it, polishing it, and putting in the stones. That's gonna be so exciting. I can't wait. So if you guys wish to join me next week, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and if you could, hit the share and like button. It really helps out the channel. But I'm hoping I see you all next week, and have a wonderful evening.